Okay, this is a power supply. Okay, the monitor is not coming on. Okay, I need to check it. After you open everything, you remove the power supply. Okay, so you need to take out this rubber first. So you wash the motherboard perfectly, because sometimes the motherboard can burn, maybe any components can burn, diode, resistor, transistor can burn, capacitor, all these things can burn, can make the monitor not to turn on. This is a connection here. Okay, so you take out this plastic first. This clip here, just squeeze it together and push it out, so this clip will come out. Okay, do the same thing also here, squeeze it together and push it out. Okay, remove this rubber, put it one side. Okay, so as you can see the motherboard very well. As you can see the line here, okay, this side is the input. This line separate the input and the output. Okay, so when you open the power supply, the first thing you have to check the fuse. The fuse always comes to the one leg to this one. You check the fuse first and see if the fuse is cut or not. Okay, this is the fuse here, because they have different type of fuse. The fuse is here. The way you see the leg connect, you know that this one is the fuse. The leg, one of the leg comes to the leg on this one goes to the input here. So you put the meter on diode. You check the fuse leg first. This is the fuse leg here. Okay, as you can see, the fuse is working. It's working. It's not burned. Okay, then you check the capacitors. These capacitors, you can see the capacitors have two legs. The legs are out here. You can check it from the back here also. Okay, as you can check it like this, that will show you that there is no short on the motherboard. If the motherboard have shorts, the capacitor will read like fuse. Okay, if the capacitor read like fuse, that means the motherboard have shorts. The capacitor don't need to read like fuse. Okay, it's reading normal like this. It's perfectly good. That means there is no short on the input side here. The power supply, the inputs. Okay, this is the output. Okay, the outputs too can stop the device not to on. So the first thing you have to check the capacitors first. Yeah, so this is the capacitor. You check the legs down. Read the two leg. Okay, this one no short. Read this one also no short. Okay, then you read another one here, because this one capacitor, this one two capacitors. Read this other capacitor also here. Okay, you read this one also. As you can see, the capacitor have short. This one have short. Okay, this capacitor don't need to have short, because this capacitor is positive and negative. If you have short, they can stop the machine not to on. Okay, when this capacitor is short, that means one of these diode already burned. Okay, this big diode, as you can see them. Okay, you read this one is okay. You read this one also is okay. Okay, as you can see, diode 2 have short because of this. There is the same line. Okay, this one is diode, this one is capacitor. All this one is showing short. For all these three, is not all the three is burned. It's one is already burned. When one burn, all will short. Okay, so you have to find that one, which one is burned. Okay, to make it easy for you to find the one that is burned, so I can remove it, you have to cut the legs. You don't have no option. You have to cut the leg to make it faster for you. You can cut the leg the way that you can able to solder it back again after you find out it's not the one that burned. Okay, so you cut the leg. Just cut the leg that in the way that you can feel to solder it again. You cut one leg first like this. Okay, then you read again. You read it. As you can see, this one is reading perfectly. That means not this one. Okay, it's one of these two. You have to cut another one leg again on these two. This is the fastest way. You don't need to use solder to remove it. Just cut it. You can fix it again with solder in one leg. Okay, you cut this one also. Okay, then you read again. Okay, as you can see, this one is burned. Okay, this is the problem, the one in the middle. Okay, now I've cut this one. I remove the one that is burned. Then I read this other one and see. You see, it's not reading it like that. It's really very nice now. Then I'm going to read the capacitor again and see. As you can see, the capacitor is not reading like that. It's reading very nice now. That means the problem is from this diode, the one in the middle. So this one you already cut, you have to put it down again a bit so like this, then soldering this side. Okay, soldering these two legs. Then now you need to remove this one and put a new diode there. So now this one, you already know that this one is burned. You can use the solder and remove it from down here and take it out. Okay. Okay, soldering the one leg, the one you cut first, fix that one. Make sure your soldering is very hot. Use solder. Soldering that one leg first. Okay. Now you take out the one that bent, this one. You can remove it from the down now. Just soldering the board. Just put the solder on the board like this until the soldering is melt. Sometimes the soldering is too dry, so you can use another solder. Do like you try to soldering it so the solder will melt fast. Okay, then you remove it. You can just make it melt like that. You push it inside. Okay, just support, shake it and push inside like this. Take it out, and this will also do the same thing. Put a bit soda because the soda is already dry for so long, so you need to add this on a bit so you remove it very fast. Okay, remove it. Okay, take it out. Okay, now you can put the new one. As you can see the sign on the diode, you see the diode sign, this line here. Always follow the same sign on the board. You see this one also. As you can see the line, follow the line. Don't turn it the other way. If you turn it the other way, it's not going to work. The machine will not on. Make sure you turn it the right way. You follow the sign. Okay, this sign always is the negative and here is the positive. Okay, you just fold the legs exactly how the other one is, like this. Okay, then you put it inside like this. Push it down to be the same level. Okay, like this. And you solder the leg at the back here. Make sure you solder the leg very well. Soldering this one also. Soldering very nice like this. Okay, then you reduce the leg. You cannot leave it like this. You reduce the leg. Okay, reduce the leg like this. Okay, then you use the meter. You check and see if it's reading well. Okay, as you can see, it's reading perfectly. No sound, no beeping sound again. All is reading very nice. Okay, then put back this cover. Fix back all the clip. Just push them inside. Okay, now I'm sure and everything is okay. I'm going to fix everything on the monitor. I on the monitor for you guys to see. Okay, I fixed the motherboard, everything. Okay, now I'm going to connect the power supply for you guys to see. I fixed the power supply. As you can see, the sign already show. That means the power supply is working out perfectly. Everything is good. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.